Have you ever wondered why parts of Iceland smell like eggs that are rotten? It's not pollution, it's not sewage, and it's not something going wrong. That smell is actually a natural part of what makes Iceland so unique, and it's tied to the very ground beneath your feet. The eggy smell comes from hydrogen sulfide gas, or H2S, which is released from the earth in areas with geothermal activity. And in Iceland, geothermal activity is everywhere. Iceland sits right on top of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, where two massive tectonic plates, the North American and Eurasian plates, are slowly pulling apart. This geological tension gives rise to constant volcanic activity, hot springs, geysers, and steam vents across the country. When underground water gets heated by magma close to the surface, it turns into steam and rises through cracks in the earth. Along the way, it picks up various minerals and gases, including hydrogen sulfide. When the steam finally escapes above ground, the H2S is released into the air, carrying that signature sulfur smell. It's especially noticeable near places like the geothermal fields of Namafjall, the geyser area in the Golden Circle, and the Krasuvik region on the Reykjanes Peninsula. In some towns, you might even smell it right from the tap, because the hot water is piped directly from geothermal wells. And while the smell might be unpleasant to some, it's actually a sign of Iceland's sustainable energy system at work. Over 90% of homes in Iceland are heated using geothermal energy. It's cheap, renewable, and incredibly efficient. So even though that rotten egg smell might catch tourists off guard, it's also a reminder that Iceland is one of the cleanest energy producers in the world. Interestingly, the human nose is extremely sensitive to hydrogen sulfide. We can detect it at concentrations as low as 0.0005 parts per million. That means even tiny amounts can create a strong reaction. But here's the good news. Hydrogen sulfide at those low levels isn't dangerous. In high concentrations, the gas can be toxic, but the amounts released from geothermal areas in Iceland are generally safe for people and wildlife. The smell might be strong, but it usually dissipates quickly with the wind. Over time, many Icelanders hardly even notice it anymore. Locals often joke that it smells like money because that sulfurous steam is powering their homes and cities. So if you ever visit Iceland and catch a whiff of something funky in the air, don't worry. You're not smelling decay, you're smelling the island's volcanic heart in action. It's a reminder that Iceland isn't just a land of glaciers and waterfalls. It's also alive, breathing through vents in the earth, releasing the ancient power of its fiery core into the modern world. And sometimes, nature just happens to smell a little bit like rotten eggs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed. Have you ever been to Iceland and smelled this? Let us know in the comment section below.